Hello guys, in this video I will be explaining how you can create a simple responsive website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So here is the demo. This is the website that we are going to create. It's really simple. As you can see, this is the mobile view of the website. At the top you can see the hamburger icon, and there is search icon. On the left hand side there is a logo, and then followed by there are three boxes, followed by this is the footer where we are storing address, links, social media. So all these boxes, these purple boxes that you're seeing, are aligned vertically when we are in the mobile mode. But as we increase the viewport width, see what happens. So the hamburger menu will be removed. Instead of that, the actual menu will be displayed. Also, these boxes will be aligned horizontally. So as it crosses 400 pixels, you will notice that difference. And as you can see, that hamburger menu is removed, and instead of that it is showing the actual menu because there is more space when the viewport width has been increased. And similarly, purple boxes are also aligned along with the footer as well. So let us see how you can do this using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now let me explain how you can create this design using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. First of all, I will focus on HTML and then we will jump onto the CSS. So I'm going to inspect this one. First of all, let us focus on the mobile view, and as you can see, there is a HTML tag, then there is a head, and then there is a body. So inside body, we have divided this body into three sections. The header, as you can see, this is highlighted in the page. Then main section where or main content of the page will be shown, and then there is a footer. So if you scroll, that div that you see in the black background is the footer. So very simple design. Now let us see how I have used the CSS for this. So inside the header, as you can see, we have got the header wrapper, and then there is a logo, then there is a navigation bar. There are navigation links as well, but we are hiding it in the mobile view. So it is not being shown, only the hamburger icon being shown. So this div, we have got this CSS. As you can see, the display property is set to flex, and the reason why we want to do it is because we want to align this logo, hamburger and search icon horizontally, and that is the reason we are using the flex. And we have also used the align items center. The main reason being we want to align all these children vertically in the center, and that is the reason for this align items center property. So this is our flex container, and you can see that there are three childrens. There is a logo, there is hamburger, and then there is a search icon. So out of that, you can see that logo is taking more space, and that is because we have set the flex property of this particular logo to 1. So what it means is that logo is allowed to grow. The remaining children are not being allowed to grow because we haven't set the flex. By default, flex group property is 0, which means those children will not grow. They will only take the space that they need. Okay. Now another thing that I want to tell you here is that in mobile view this is looking good, but in the desktop mode we want to hide this hamburger and then show this menu. You can see this hamburger is hidden now, and this menu, these links are being displayed. So how this is being done is using the media queries. So you can see now the media query CSS is being applied for this hamburger. You can see now the display property has been set to none, and what we are saying is that whenever we have got the viewport whose size is more than 400 pixels, hide this hamburger using this display property as none. And at the same time, we have got this now menu. We have got this now menu where we have set the display property as flex. So basically, earlier this particular now menu was hidden, and now it is being displayed using display property as flex. Next element in our HTML is this main tag, and in here we have got the section. So you can see the flex property is being applied, so displays flex for this particular element. And we have got three children for this, and you can see the flex property is set to 1 for all three. Okay, so when you set the flex property as 1 to all children, what happens is that the children with equal width are being created. Okay, so all these children, you can see they have got the equal width and they are also responsive. So as you increase your screen, they will keep on growing, and if you decrease, it will keep on shrinking. So that is what we have done here. And another important thing is that the flex direction has been set to row and column according to the viewport. So when the viewport is more than 400 pixels, what we are doing is that flex direction for this particular section or the flex container is set to row, while the viewport is lesser size, then we are setting the flex direction as column. And for the footer, actually it is similar to this section that we just saw in the main element. So again we have got another section there, and there is a flex. Then there are 3 children there. Again we have set the flex as 1. Only thing that I've done here is that we have used this text align property as center. So basically, if you expand it, you can see these address, links, social media, this text is centrally aligned in that particular boxes. That is how you can create a simple responsive website using HTML and CSS. In this particular video, I haven't used the JavaScript, but in the next website design, I will be using the JavaScript to create the beautiful menus. So I'll see you in next video. Till then, enjoy your time. Thank you for watching.